In 2019, when Benedict Cumberbatch first introduced the MG Hector, he used his phone to unlock the car and then he spoke to the Hector. He asked the car to play his favorite music, then he asked the car to open the sunroof. We've never seen that in a car back then, and we don't even see it in some of the cars right now. This is MG Hector. This is the Shine Pro, and the reason why I'm highlighting this car is because it starts at 15,99,000, and at that price point, the features that this car has are just amazing. I want to drive the car because that's where I'll spend, or any of the customers will spend their time driving the car. But there's a lot happening on the outside. To start with are the rims. These are 17-inch alloy rims which are available on the Shine Pro. There's also a Select Pro variant which has 18-inch rims. That's priced at 17,29,000. But at this price point, this is the only car, possibly the only car in the segment which gives you alloy rims. Apart from that, you get LED DRLs and LED headlamps. And MG has not even left out the chrome updated grille. Additionally, you have a fully operational electric sunroof, but there's also a lot happening on the inside. Let's take a look in the inside. Sorry, I've already started driving, but yeah, let's talk about the features that are there on the inside. First of all, we have the largest vertical screen in this price segment of a car. I don't think any other segment car does that. It's also wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is very neat, is because there's a wireless charger, which is really handy to just put your phone there and it starts charging. And my personal favorite, but honestly, is the all black interior. So yes, the car does look good on the outside as well as it's good and premium looking on the inside. Even if you consider the competition, like for example the Tata Harrier with the pure trim, or with the XUV 700 with the AX3 or the 5 trim, they are in the similar price range. However, the maintenance cost of the MG Hector Shine Pro is more affordable than its competition. It has 168 brake horsepower, 350 Newton meters of torque, which is a decent amount of power to have. And that being said, it still gives you a mileage of 16 to 17 kilometers per liter. It's tested. Even the petrol engine does provide a mileage of about 12 to 13. Yes, there are people who are complaining that they get an average of anywhere between 8 to 9 kilometers to a liter. But if you do feather the throttle, that's how you're supposed to drive, you will get that mileage. Depending on the driving conditions, obviously this will vary. But you have to factor in that the car is of a bigger size. This is not a small hatchback you're driving. It's a proper SUV. 500 rupees per month is what you can expect on the maintenance of this car, which is almost similar to a hatchback. I mean, you can have a proper big SUV at the similar price point, better price point, and even lower maintenance cost. Okay, you've bought the car, you've used it, 3 years later you want to sell the car. Again, this or the MG Hector has a better resale value. MG cars in itself have better resale value as compared to any other car. So the car is not just better when you're buying it, but also when you're reselling it. It's a good value proposition, priced at 15,99,000. The other variant, by just paying a few lakhs more, which is at 17,29,000, you will get additional features like a sunroof, a panoramic sunroof, infotainment screen, larger rims which are 18-inch as compared to the 17-inch on the Shine, and you also have internet inside features which are controlled via your mobile phone and also voice activated, just like Mr. Benedict Cumberbatch demonstrated for us back in 2019. But in the 2024 variant, you get much more additional features. To summarize this all, I think the MG Hector, with the price value that the car offers right now, or MG offers right now, it's one hell of a deal, and it's really worth checking one out at the nearest showroom. This is Aurelius signing off. Have a great day ahead.